let me show you what stupid I just did. I made a little bit of a, it's muddy out here, but I made a little bit of a jump. It's not smooth, it's not even, let's see. Yeah, I don't know, man. If he runs on this sucker, and it'll probably be like tire deep. We gotta make this quick. I only have 5 more minutes left on this phone to record.
What?
Yep.
Right.
Yep. Start. Boom.
Finish.
Oh, did he just wreck into that thing? Holy shit. Holy shit.
Give a damn about a hater when I feel like it. Not today, not today, not today, not tomorrow. Get out my way, please, I'm tryna get paid. Not today, not today, not today, not tomorrow. Get out my way, please, I'm tryna get paid.
I've been broke for 27 years, I ain't going for 28. Been seeing you niggas flexing and finessing the shit. You know I ain't never ate. Been seeing you shining, all that designer. You ain't get your little bro plate. That's how I know you fake.
Camera people. Oh, dude, we need more cameramen out here with the stupid shit we do.
Right here's very
Just have to give you a little bit. You thought I was gonna give you the whole pile. I'm gonna keep a little bit for myself.
Okay, that's good.
There you go.
Thanks, man.
And
oh, you could have kept these two instead of those.
oh, are they ripped? I don't know. I just keep them in the glove compartment, so it's whatever. But are you willing to keep on going on the YouTube channel? Yes. All right, let's go, dude. We're gonna make it. Yeah, we're gonna make it.
Man.
All right. Thank you guys for watching, and hopefully the next video won't be full of fails, and hopefully we'll have better content. If you like it, subscribe.